Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and effective DIY eyelash serum using just a few natural ingredients. And it's super easy to make at home. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of castor oil to the mixing bowl. Castor oil is packed with fatty acids and nutrients that help to nourish and moisturize the hair follicles, leading to stronger and healthier lashes. Next, add a few drops of vitamin E oil to the bowl. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the lashes from free radicals and environmental stressors. It also helps to strengthen the hair shaft and prevent breakage. And finally, add a few drops of vitamin A oil to the bowl. Vitamin A is essential for healthy hair growth, and it can also help to improve the texture and appearance of the lashes. Mix all of the ingredients together until they're all combined, and then carefully pour the mixture into empty mascara container. Make sure to use a clean container, as you don't want any leftover mascara to contaminate the serum. I purchased my containers on Amazon, so I will leave the link below that you can check for yourself. To use the serum, simply apply a small amount to your lashes and brows before bedtime. Gently massage the serum into your lashes and brows, being careful not to get any in your eyes. In the morning, wash your face as usual and enjoy the benefits of longer, thicker, and healthier lashes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you give this DIY eyelash serum a try, be sure to let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my future videos.